Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of Brave app. You click on settings. On this page we go down until you find apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Brave and you will click here. Here in this page of app info you will click on first app and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store and you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.